USDA, United States Department of Agriculture, supporting breastfeeding mothers in a child care site. A woman holds an infant.
Well, I'm so happy we're going to have little Alex joining us soon. Do you have any other questions for me?
I do. So, I'm a nursing mom, and I still want Alex to have breast milk when I go back to work. I noticed your breastfed babies welcome here poster on the door, and I thought I'd ask, what can I do to keep breastfeeding?
Great question. We definitely support breastfeeding moms any way we can.
The mom grins.
We do encourage moms to breastfeed on site, whether it's when you bring Alex in the morning, later in the day, or when you come to pick him up in the evening. Would you like to see our breastfeeding space?
Yes, please.
A room with a cushioned chair, stool, and table.
This is our breastfeeding space. As you can see, we try to keep it comfortable and private. There is a comfortable chair and stool for supporting your back. There's also a table for your equipment should you decide to pump breast milk while you're here. There's also a sink to wash your hands and an outlet if you have an electric pump. There's a pillow here to support your baby, and we can get you a glass of water if you need one.
This room is great. What do I need to do to bring breast milk from home?
I'm glad you asked. Your breast milk bottles and bags should be clearly labeled with your baby's full name, as well as the date in which you pumped the breast milk.
If your state or local authorities, like child care licensing, have stricter health and safety regulations for labeling bottles, then follow those regulations.
You'll want to fill them with the amount of breast milk Alex usually drinks.
How can I bring in the bottles?
You'll want to keep your breast milk cold on your way in each day. A small cooler with an ice pack works well. Also, if possible, bring a backup supply of breast milk in case your baby wants to eat more or if you're running late.
Great, I'll do that. Thank you. One of my friends is pregnant and is trying to find a childcare site that supports her choice to breastfeed, like this one. Do you have information that I could share with her?
Absolutely.
She holds up a guide.
We have a guide for breastfeeding moms. It contains a lot of good information on how to prepare for breastfeeding and how to transport the breast milk to the child care provider.
Thanks. It sounds like good information for both of us. I'll be sure to take a look at it and we'll share it with her.
Breastfed babies welcome here. A mother's guide, poster, and removable sticker can be found at teamnutrition.usda.gov. For more information, check out the Feeding Infants in the Child and Adult Care Food Program Guide at teamnutrition.usda.gov. United States Department of Agriculture. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. To file a complaint of discrimination, call 866-632-9992.